Today, I will present the issue overview of the Hyundai Ioniq 5. First, let's look at the background. The transportation sector is one of the main contributors to carbon emission because most vehicles use petrol or diesel. To help reduce pollution and support sustainable transportation, Hyundai introduced the Hyundai Ioniq 5 in 2021 as its first dedicated electric vehicle. Next is the current status. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is now sold and produced in several countries, including South Korea, the United States, Indonesia, Thailand, India, Singapore, and Vietnam. It has become one of Hyundai's most successful electric vehicles. In 2024, Hyundai also upgraded the model with a larger battery, better driving range, and improved technology. Now, let's look at the technological aspect. The Ioniq 5 is built on the eGMP platform, which is specially designed for electric vehicles. It supports 800-volt fast charging, allowing the battery to charge from 10% to 80% in about 80 minutes. It also offers a driving range of up to 507 kilometers, depending on the model. Another useful feature is vehicle to load, which allows the car to power external electrical devices. In addition, it includes advanced safety features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance system. In conclusion, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 is an innovative electric vehicle that helps reduce carbon emissions while providing advanced technology, fast charging, and improved safety. It plays an important role in supporting a more sustainable transportation future.
Today, I will be presenting the stakeholder perspective on Hyundai Ioniq 5 technology. The main stakeholders involved are the company, government agency, consumer, environment group, and local communities. Firstly, from the perspective of the company, Hyundai focuses on innovation and technological development. Hyundai has developed the Electrical Global Modular Platform, or eGMP, which is specifically designed for electric vehicles. This platform improves battery efficiency, driving performance, and vehicle stability. Hyundai also incorporates advanced technologies such as the battery management system, over-the-air software update, highway driving assist, and generative braking system. This technology helps improve safety, efficiency, and the overall driving experience. Secondly, government agencies support the development of electrical vehicle technology because it contributes to environmental sustainability and national transportation goals. Government agencies encourage the adoption of EV through incentive and the development of charging infrastructure. They also regulate technology related to battery safety, charging system, and vehicle performance to ensure that Hyundai Ioniq 5 meets safety and environmental standards. In addition, government promotes renewable energy integration and smart charging technology to support the EV ecosystem. Thirdly, consumers view Hyundai Ioniq 5 technology as a source of convenience, safety, and modern mobility. Consumers benefit from advanced technologies such as ultra-fast 800-volt charging, which significantly reduces charging time. The vehicle also features a digital infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto connectively. Vehicle-to-load technology and advanced driver assistance system. This technology provides a safer, smarter, and more comfortable driving experience. Next, environment groups support the Hyundai Ioniq 5 because it promotes environmentally friendly transportation. The vehicle uses a zero-emission electric powertrain, which helps reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Technologies such as regenerative braking and energy efficient battery system further improve sustainability. Environment group also encourage the use of eco-friendly material and carbon reduction technologies in vehicle manufacturing. Benefit from the implementation of Hyundai Ioniq 5 technology. The development of public EV charging stations and smart energy infrastructure help improve access to sustainable transportation. Local communities also benefit from better air quality, reduced noise pollution, and new employment opportunities in the electric vehicle industry. Furthermore, green mobility solution and renewable energy technology contribute to long-term community development. In conclusion, each stakeholder has different perspectives regarding the Hyundai Ioniq 5 technology initiative. Hyundai focus on technological innovation, government agency focus on sustainability and regulation, consumer focus on convenience and safety, environment group focus on environmental protection, and local communities focus on social and economic. Through advanced technologies such as the EGMP platform, battery management system, over-the-air updates, vehicle-to-load technology, advanced driver assistance, and ultra-fast charging technology, Hyundai Ioniq 5 demonstrate how innovation can support a more sustainable future. Thank you.
Next, I want to talk about Hyundai Ioniq 5. Hyundai Ioniq 5 is a new technology that is being introduced to all vehicle users on the road. Every vehicle creation has created significant impacts on various stakeholder groups, including consumer, manufacturers, and governments. First, for customers, they can save on fuel costs because the Hyundai Ioniq 5 use electricity instead of gasoline. So, indirectly, this can slightly reduce the user's monthly commitment expenses. Next, the use of fewer mechanical components make maintenance costs lower. Also, the electric motor operates silently, so the journey is smoother in quiet conditions without any in-house noise. But there are disadvantages too, including a higher purchase price compared to petrol cars. Therefore, charging the car's energy takes longer, and the car's battery has a certain travel limit. Second, for manufacturers, it can improve the company's image as a leader in green technology due to the increasing demand for EV cars worldwide. The production of cars that meet customer demand can increase Hyundai's sales market, making Hyundai's car production business able to remain relevant and grow in the long term. But the challenge is requiring large investments in research and development. Billions of dollars are invested in producing battery technology, electric motors, and EV platforms before models like the Ioniq 5 can be marketed. Last but not least, for government, the use of EV vehicles can reduce carbon dioxide emissions from the transportation sector, which can help the government achieve climate change targets. Reducing emissions can prevent air pollution and improve people's health. However, the government needs to build more public charging points. In addition, as more users switch to EV, the government's fuel tax revenue to decrease. In conclusion, Hyundai Ioniq 5 gives a positive impact towards stakeholders such as cost reduction, long-term business, and economic growth. However, every modern technology still has its own weaknesses such as high costs, charging infrastructure, and battery management must be addressed to ensure the long-term success of electric vehicles. That's all from me. Thank you.
I will explain the challenges and opportunity of electric vehicles in Malaysia, focusing on Hyundai. The first challenge is the lack of EV charging infrastructure in Malaysia. Based on Table 1, most states in Malaysia have not achieved their EV charging station target yet. Although states such as Selangor, Kuala Lumpur and Johor have more charging stations, many other states still have limited facilities. This situation creates challenges for EV users because they may face difficulties in finding charging stations, especially during long-standard travel. This can lead to range anxiety, where users worry that their EV battery may run out before reaching a charging station. However, this challenge also creates an opportunity. The government and private companies can invest more in developing EV charging infrastructure throughout Malaysia. With better charging facility, more consumers will feel confident to switch to EVs, including Hyundai EV model. Better charging infrastructure will encourage more people to buy EVs, including Hyundai models. The second challenge is the high cost of EVs. Based on Figure 1, EVs are still more expensive than petrol car because of the high cost of battery and advanced technology. Although the selling price of Hyundai has decreased from about 270,000 ringgit Malaysia in 2023 to about 144,000 ringgit Malaysia in 2025. It is still considered expensive for many consumers. This may slow down the adoption of electric vehicles in Malaysia. However, this challenge also creates opportunity. Manufacturers can improve battery technology and increase mass production to reduce production costs. In addition, government incentive and tax reduction can make Hyundai EVs more affordable and encourage more people to switch to electric vehicles. In conclusion, the main challenges are limited charging infrastructure and the high cost of EVs. However, these challenges also create opportunity for infrastructure expansion, technological improvement, and government support. This effort will help increase EV adoption in Malaysia. Thank you.
Now, moving on to our purpose solutions. While the Hyundai Ioniq 5 is built on an advanced 800-volt platform, owners have experienced critical hardware bottlenecks. Our first solution targets the vehicle itself by upgrading the Integrated Charging Control Unit or ICCU. Right now, electrical burnouts stop the car's 12-volt battery from charging, leading to sudden power loss on the road. We propose upgrading this system with higher-grade silicon carbide or SiC semiconductors. Because SiC can handle significantly higher electrical loads and resist sudden voltage spikes, it will prevent overheating and stop the auxiliary battery from dying. Our next two solutions focus on the broader charging network. First, we need to address the infrastructure mismatch. The Ioniq 5 is designed for ultra-fast 350 kilowatt charging, but most public chargers only provide 50 to 180 kilowatt. This forces the car to charge much slower than advertised. We must expand the public layout of actual 350 kilowatt stations. Second, we need to fix the fragmented software experience. Drivers shouldn't have to download a different app for every single charging vendor. By adopting the international ISO 15118-20 standard, public networks can enable plug and charge automation. A user simply plugs the cable into the car and the system securely authenticates and builds their account automatically without needing any smartphone apps. To conclude, our study of the Hyundai Ioniq 5 shows that a successful transition to sustainable transportation requires a perfect balance between advanced vehicle engineering and public infrastructure. While switching to EVs brings massive benefits like lowering fuel costs for consumers and cutting carbon emissions for governments, we still face real-world bottlenecks in Malaysia, particularly with high upfront vehicle costs and gaps in the fast charging network. By implementing our proposed solutions, specifically upgrading the vehicle's ICCU, expanding 350 kilowatt fast charging stations, and standardizing software with the ISO protocol, we can eliminate these roadblocks and ensure a safe, sustainable transportation system for the future. Thank you.